Hi viewers, today I am going to discuss about lemongrass care and uses. Lemongrass belongs to the genus Cymbopogon. Cymbopogon citratus are commonly cultivated variety. The scent of the leaves commonly resembles lemon. That's why it is called as lemongrass. Commonly it is known as Cochin grass, Malabar grass, citronella grass or fever grass. This plant belongs to the family Poaceae. It is the easiest plant to grow in your garden as house plant. It can grow up to 6 feet tall. When come to the point of sunlight, it should be grown in full sun and should receive minimum 6 hours of direct sunlight. It will grow in partial sunlight also, but growth will be very slow. Lemongrass prefers rich, loamy, fertile soil. It likes well-drained soil. Soil pH should be in between 6.5 to 7.0. For soil mix, take 2 parts of coco peat, 2 parts of organic compost and 2 parts of garden soil. This proportion you can use for lemongrass. Come to the point of watering, lemongrass is drought tolerant plant, so it don't need much water. Don't overwater the plant. Fertilizer must given to the plant every couple of weeks. You must be sure that it is getting plenty of nutrients. I am using kitchen compost. You can use cow dung also or any other organic fertilizer for this plant. We can propagate lemongrass through cuttings, divisions and through seeds. Propagation through division is the best method to propagate lemongrass. For propagation through cuttings, take a cutting of lemongrass and strip off the leaves from the cutting and put the cutting in soil or water. You will get new plant soon. Propagation through division, dig up the lemongrass and divide it with sharp knife with each division has one bulb in it. Through these bulbs you can get new plant soon. Come to the point of uses of lemongrass, it has lot of health benefits in it. It has antibacterial properties which can fight against skin infections, pneumonia, blood infections and serious intestinal infections. Antifungal property present in lemongrass makes beneficial in treating fungal infections like yeast and ringworm. This herb contains citral. It is an anti-inflammatory compound which helps to cure chronic inflammations. The antioxidant property of herb helps the body to fight off free radicals that damage the cells. The oil of lemongrass prevents gastric ulcers and stomach pain. Lemongrass tea is used as supplement for nausea. Lemongrass loaded with antibacterial and antimicrobial properties which helps in fighting agent, stomach disorders and infections. It improves digestion. The anti-hyperlipidemic and anti-hypercholesterolemic properties of lemongrass helps in maintaining the appropriate and healthy levels of cholesterol. Lemongrass tea helps in managing healthy levels of insulin in the body. Lemongrass eases the pain and reduces the inflammation. A research study shown that lemongrass oil proved potential in cervical cancer with anti-cancer effect. Lemongrass tea is efficient in managing cough and cold. It helps to relieve mucus and clears air passages, thus allows the patient to breathe freely. Lemongrass oil reduces the pain and inflammation of joints in rheumatoid arthritis patients. Take 2 to 5 drops of lemongrass oil and mix it with 1 to 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Apply on affected area to get relief from the pain. Lemongrass oil is beneficial in dandruff management. Lemongrass helps to reduce a stress-induced headache when applied topically. Lemongrass tea is beneficial to relieve PMS symptoms. It helps in cleansing and flushing harmful toxic waste out of your body. Lemongrass cures fever and flu. Lemongrass has antibacterial and antifungal properties that helps your body cope up with cold, fever and flu. It is a natural insect repellent especially against mosquitoes and fleas. Lemongrass oil is popular tool in aromatherapy to help relieve stress, anxiety and depression. It is useful in curing sleeping disorder like insomnia. Lemongrass tea helps to sleep properly. Preparation of lemongrass tea. Take 1 cup of hot water, add 1/4 teaspoon of fresh or dried powder of lemongrass leaves. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes and strain it. Take this once or twice a day. So these are the uses of lemongrass. So viewers, try to grow lemongrass plant at your home because it will used as a mosquito repellent plant, as well as it will give you a nice fragrance to your garden as well as your home. Try to grow one lemongrass plant at your home. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Shah's Garden Tech. Thank you.